Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today I have a very different video, but I'm excited by this one. Normally we're covering stock analysis, stock updates, etc. Today we're not doing that, okay? We're going to be giving you 10 different penny stocks and one catalyst for each one of why you could potentially see a run up in the next few weeks, months, or even year, etc. People are interested in getting into penny stocks, but you don't know where to start. There's so many out there, okay? You want to find ones with a good reason or behind it anyway of why it may see a good run up or may do well over time. And that's what we're going to be giving you here, 10 different stocks and a quick reason on each one of why it may do well in the coming months, okay? All of these I have covered videos on before, so you can check those out afterwards. Take one that you like the sound of, go ahead and do some research, watch some videos, look at their financials, etc., and then you can make your decision on whether you think it's a good investment. I'm not a financial advisor. Please always do your own research before investing into the stock market. If you appreciate this kind of idea, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. I may well go ahead and do some more for growth stocks, etc. as well. So let's get into this one. Up first here, we have a good old favorite on the channel, Healthy Choices Management Corp, HCMC, guys. This one has been on a crazy run. We currently trade for 0.0012, which is insane. Less than a penny a share, a tenth of a penny a share. And the massive catalyst for this one, if you don't already know, is the lawsuit, okay? There is a pending lawsuit with Philip Morris. If they win this lawsuit against Philip Morris, they will be expecting either a massive payout, which is going to incredibly boost the share price and the market cap, which currently stands at 355 million. Or they could get a royalties from Philip Morris. There is talk of a potential settlement or a buyout, whatever. However they win this lawsuit, whatever the situation is, it's going to do massive things for HCMC, which is the main reason here. A lot of people are in this company. I've done numerous videos on HCMC. You can check them all out. Up next here is a company called Torchlight Energy. Ticker symbol TRCH. This one is merging with Meta Materials, and that is a massive reason people are getting involved, okay? Because it's going to be merging very soon. We don't have a specific date yet, but it's looking to be, sometime in April for sure. And when they do merge with Meta Materials has much more of a moat behind it than Torchlight. Torchlight Energy is an oil and gas company, whereas Meta Materials is doing lots of innovative things, okay, with technology. It's definitely an exciting company. If you're a Torch shareholder as well, you'll get a special dividend payout for the sale of all of their oil and gas assets. So that's going to be per share. Once again, we don't have the exact number on that, but it's definitely a massive catalyst for this one. And this is going to be more of a short term, but you can hold Meta Materials for a long term because it's definitely going to be doing good things in years to come. So that's Torchlight Energy. The next one up here is actually ticker symbol CIDM, CIDM. Now, CIDM is an online streaming platform that we've covered a few times, okay? It's basically like a Netflix on Amazon Prime. It's doing lots of online streaming things, but it is growing and growing. Its subscriptions, its numbers of people using this platform are growing. But very recently, literally a few days ago, they put out some tweets announcing the addition here of a potential NFT platform. They're working on it. NFTs are taking over. Blockchain technology is coming, okay, guys. NFTs are really taking off. It's early days. If CIDM have the platform already with a substantial amount of users, they already are halfway there. They just now can monetize this in terms of NFTs, okay, memorabilia, etc. It's definitely exciting for this company. I was excited by this one regardless of this, but now they've added this, it's just made me that much more bullish on this company, okay? CIDM currently trades for $1.69. It is on the NASDAQ as well. It's definitely an exciting company, and it's seen a bit of a run lately. But I think, obviously, with this new addition and the growth of the company from all the press releases we've been seeing, it's big things to come for CIDM. Next up, we have Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. This is the global shipping company that we have covered so many times, okay? The massive news about this was remaining on the NASDAQ. It seems to have passed that, but we are back down again. Currently, 80 cents per share. This company's been buying ship after ship after ship. They have been spending a fortune on increasing their fleet, okay? This is now a recovery play. The massive catalyst for this one is the fact it is a recovery play, okay? Because when we do start seeing the recovery from the pandemic and things start opening again, they have all of these different ships which are going to be bringing them massive revenue. I will not be holding this one for the long term. This is a short-term hold for me, but I think big things are to come because of this, okay? The acquisitions of the ships is a massive catalyst in itself. Definitely a short-term, one of the more riskier ones on this list. Next up, we have Kraken Robotics, ticker symbol KRKNF. Now, this company is basically an underwater technology company. Lots of exciting things. It'll be too complicated to break it down in 5 seconds here, but go and check out my analysis videos on these. Kraken Robotics, KRKNF. This is a Canadian company, okay, but the massive catalyst for this one is their contracts. They are having so many more contracts in the pipeline. So much going on for this company, okay, with such a small market cap. Currently trading for about 56 cents per share with a market cap of about 90 million, okay. The contracts they are getting is amazing, okay. So much going on for this company. That is a huge catalyst for this one. And you know what? It's very under the radar. Not many people know this company. You try and search information on it. It's very few and far between, okay. We love this one. We're definitely loading up Kraken Robotics. Now we have another one here, ticker symbol IQSD. This is a technology company. It's got lots of different sectors, okay, telecommunications, software, technology, etc. It is exciting, okay, and unfortunately it has been restricted on Trading 212, one of the more popular UK brokerages, so we have seen a bit of a decline. However, this has a massive catalyst because it is going to be uplisting to the NASDAQ, okay, very, very soon. They have the ability to do this. Their revenue is amazing, so therefore they only have to hit quite a low price of just $2. They currently trade for $1. They could do a reverse merger to get it to that price. You name it, but it's in their plans. They're aiming to get the NASDAQ listing by this year. You know what that means? It means it's going to be allowed back on these brokerages that have restricted it. Therefore, we're going to see a significant increase in the share price for IQST. Now we have another firm favorite on the channel here. High Tide, ticker symbol HITIF. This is a cannabis company and it has so much going for it, okay, but we're just talking about one catalyst here in these videos. So the catalyst I've gone for here is the fact that it's going to be uplisting to the NASDAQ. It is in their plans. It is confirmed by the CEO, and very similar to IQST like we just spoke about, they're probably going to be doing a reverse split, a reverse merger to get up there, but we don't mind that. Currently trading for 67 cents per share. So much going on for this company. You know, the numbers are growing, the acquisitions are growing. I really think this is one of the best cannabis plays, best undervalued, underrated cannabis plays that you could be in right now. That is High Tide, ticker symbol HITIF. Next up here we have NDRA Life Sciences, okay, ticker symbol NDRA. This is basically a pharmaceutical company, a healthcare company I should say, and they're trying to find fatty liver disease before it's too late. They have a technology called 𝐏𝐚c. It is exciting, okay. NDRA Life Sciences currently trades for $243. It is on the NASDAQ, okay, but the great thing about this one is they are seeking FDA approval. They're currently not selling their products. They only have a market cap of 91 million. But the technology is ready to go. It's all ready to go. We're just waiting for that FDA approval, which we could literally hear anytime now. I think maybe a few months away. But when we get that, they already have some contracts in place for once that is approved. Things are going to come for this one. A slow burner. Sit on your hands with this one. But yeah, NDRA Life Sciences. We have two more here on this list. The next one is another one of my favorite companies here. Izea Worldwide. Ticker symbol IZEA. This one you must know by now. I spoke about it so many times. It's a social media influencer platform, okay? It's basically companies go to it to find their influencer to market their product and their brand. Currently trades for $4 per share. It did go on a very nice run to about $7, okay? And I really think it should be there again. The contracts they have in place, the finances they have in place is insane, and that is my catalyst for this one. The earnings growth. It is growing at a rapid rate. And of course, if the earnings are growing, the rest of the finances should follow. We're going to see nice profits from this one in the future for sure, and therefore people are going to start noticing this one. Another one that is very much under the radar, but I'm seeing massive numbers here, okay? 100%, 200%, 300%. Incredible gains on this company. The earnings are coming out very, very soon in just a few days. So my last one up on this list, okay, is ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals. Now, obviously, I wanted to include a sustainable company here. This is a lithium-ion recycling company, and with the rise of EV in years to come, this is definitely exciting, okay? They're currently trading for $1.43 per share on the OTC markets. They've been hit pretty hard as of late, been on a steady decline, okay? However, the catalyst for this is their plant. They are building a massive plant, and they're going to start churning out all of these lithium-ion battery recycling. It's going to be absolutely amazing, this company, okay? We're hoping to get the plant built by the end of this year. And you know what that means? They can then start ramping up the production. There's also been rumors that they are maybe going to be partnered with Tesla. Their plant is literally around the corner from Tesla's factory. So it's definitely a massive catalyst for this company. Tesla aside, once the plant is built, they can get to work, and we're going to start seeing some profits and some numbers really coming in. So that's my 10 penny stocks in this video, a very brief catalyst on each one. Remember, always check out these companies, okay? Look at which one you like the sound of the most. Go ahead, watch some of my videos on them, and because there's a lot more than just this. I've just given you a brief overview of why it may be a good place to start, why it may be a good company to look at now because of this potential catalyst. But that's my thoughts on this. Let me know your favorite of these ones, and is there any others that I didn't include in this list that you would love to see me talk about? Chuck them in the comments below. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, that is really, really appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.